Viewer subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there is anything new on the channel. Some people may have a few things I'm gonna share with you guys. And the first thing, my people, Butcher confessed to Killing woman burying her in shallow. Grave. A butcher of Glengarth, St. Catherine, has been charged with the MURDER and unlawful burial of a DEAD after he confessed to KILLING, a woman, then burying her in a shallow whatever. He has been identified as Orlando Chin, otherwise called Juki. Chin is charged with the MURDER of Mrs. Cobre of the same community. It is said that about 2 p.m. Cobre and Chin were involved in a dispute that became physical. The police said that during the dispute, Chin pushed Cobre, causing her to fall and hit her head, after which she became unresponsive. Efforts from Chin to resuscitate Cobre proved futile, so he buried her BODY in a shallow. You know what the police said. Chin turned himself over to the police and confessed to KILLING Cobre on Monday, October 7. The following day, he reportedly led the police to a location where the body of Cobre was buried. Chin was subsequently charged on Saturday after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. His court date is being finalized. Some people, when me hear that story, me I say, no man, there is more to the story. You see me? Obviously, because them never did give us like information as to what happened, how the KILLING of the female go. Them just say him come and turn himself in or something. I say, yo, we love to know what really go on, because, you know what I mean, this is somebody with a female grow with. The female mother take him in. You understand? Grow him like a fair picnic. Him are the only boy in there. See? So that just make me feel some type of way. I want kind of know more of what happened if this youth is so wicked and cruel. You know what I mean? So this is the article, you know, when we did a wait pan. You understand? Because this shed more light to the situation, to the story, and show us how an accident, you know what I mean, she unalive by it was an accident. So may I say, because based on what them say in this article is that them had a dispute, you know what I mean, it became physical, but him never deliberately want to unalive her. Him push her, you see me, she fall and bump her head, and I saw she was unalive. You see me? So you can blame him and you can give him a little mercy, because him never deliberately do it based on this article. You know what I mean? So that's why the people that maybe see him out the road, and when the little service are going, him go up for some prayer. You know what I mean? And him could hold it no more till him go turn himself in, because him conscience a bother him conscience a beat him, because him never meant to do it. If I something him didn't mean to do, him wouldn't, you know what I mean, turn himself in. You understand? It's a sad situation, my people. It's a sad story. And me always say, if you're in an argument with a person, please walk away from the argument. You understand? Because sometimes your friend them even catch up, and your family them even catch up. You see me? And because of the prolonging the argument, it turned physical. And no telling what can happen. You understand? So if you can walk away from an argument and later on you come talk it out with the person, do that. You know what I mean? If you feel like if you not talk it out with the person, just walk away from the argument and avoid that person. And you know what I mean, that person avoid you. Just that you can hope that that person avoid you, but you avoid that person. You understand? Because a simple argument can turn to the worst thing ever. You see me? So just leave your comment and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Shoppy KILL in Stony Hill 2 weeks after getting SHOT. So them say this person here, him get caught up and then them come analyze him. So it's like them target him. A mere 2 weeks after being SHOT reportedly at a match, Adrian Shoppy Hines was KILL at his right time yard, my people. Seen on Airy Castle Road in Stony Hill, St. Andrew, by GUN man who rain can on the already injured target. Hines was one of 2 persons SHOT in September while enjoying a night match scene that was in progress in the Tasty parking lot in Stony Hill Square. On that occasion, men alighted from a motor vehicle and opened fire in his direction. Hines was rushed to hospital where he was treated and released. It is said that sometime after 10 Saturday night, Hines was at his the front time yard when a GUN man opened fire, hitting him several times. He was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he DIED while undergoing surgery. I can't believe Adrian get SHOT up again. Him not even recover fully from the last attack. Why them a mash up the hills with the violence? A whole heap of SHOT fired, a resident said. So them a say the knockings and clappings left the community shaking. You know what I mean? It simply means someone wanted this man DEAD. They didn't get it done the first time and they came back to complete what they started. He was marked for DEATH. That's exactly what this onslaught means, an investigator said at the scene. The scene was littered with spent casing as investigators laid out markers to capture evidence. The Canton Spring Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the MURDER. The St. Andrew North Police Division has seen an increase in knockings and clappings this year. The people, as simple as that, you know what I mean? Maybe him involved in something, and some people want him unalive. Them go for him the first time, the second time them finish the job. You see me I say? So all me have to tell the youth them say, try keep out of trouble. You know what I mean? Keep out of harm's way. Or if the community that you're from is a volatile community and you feel like say if you get involved in a war going in your community because you defend this or defend that, don't do it. You know what I mean? Because enough of them community here in a rivalry years on top of years, and it start from a simple thing, and you as a person in the community, you know, go get involved in a something where either your parents them not involved in or nobody in your family, but you feel like say, you know what I mean, that way you want go, you want defend your you want defend your community, whatever. This just take me back, although we don't know what really go on if a community badness or him a man in a vibes a man just come, you know what I mean, or him do somebody something and them come retaliate. You understand? But me just attack in the community, like the community badness something. It just remind me of the interview where the youth named Jeffrey do, where he must say, you know what I mean, when he interview the youth and the youth I say, yo, we come say we community in a war with the next community and we have to defend our community. You understand? Me not living in the inner city, so me not gonna know how that part they go where I talk about. But looking from the outside, me would think say that's a stupid way to live. You understand? But that's just my opinion. That's me looking from the outside. You know what I mean? Because if two person are war and one over that side, one over this side, yeah, seen, and it a go on for years on top of years, and you grow up and come involved in it, it only a go get further and more people are go drop out. You see what I say? If you from over that side there and the next man from over that side there, we're not involved in it but grow up in the community, you know what I mean, and decide say, yo, we not go continue that something, you know, it have to done, it have to stop. But then again, you have to look on it that way. I say enough of them maybe have family were involved in it and them lose family members, so them want to retaliate. So that are the continuation. So it continue and more people are get unalive. But me feel like say them community warrior a stupidness. You see me I say. But this youth I will get unalive, my people. As me say, me not really know what go on. You know what I mean? And I can't saw it go. And it can go next way. You see me? So leave your opinion and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like and subscribe and click the top bell icon for notification when there's anything new on the channel.